everybody, as promised, I will be doing the class participation 2 work or video now. For some reason it's not anywhere, and I'm thinking that might be the day I ran out of space. So let me do that now and upload it for you guys. Okay, so we are creating a letter with a letterhead, and the letterhead, I guess, is the important thing. So the first instruction says change the theme to retrospect. Okay, so we are going to go to theme and we're going to look for retrospect. There we go. And then step 2 says create the letterhead shown at the top of the following page, or is it before this? I think it's probably the picture before these. Yes. All right. A. Insert the snip same side corner rectangle. Okay, so that is a shape that we are inserting, and it's called the same side snip. And if you go here to rectangles, you will look for one that looks like this. Round, same side, slip. Is it that one? I just want to say snip same side. Is it not maybe this one? Snip same side. Okay, this one. So you're going to select this one, and you will notice that your mouse is now a plus sign, and we are going to draw a rectangle. Don't worry about the shape yet or the size, because we are going to resize it right now. So the sizing is a height of 0.56 inches. So here in format, you will see the size box here on the right, and the height is the first one I'm changing, and I'm saying 0.56 inches. Enter. Okay, and then the width is 5.5 inches. So let me just do that. I just want to see. It may require a comma button. I just quickly want to check if that's going to make a difference. 0.56 inches. Yeah, okay, it's comma. Again, 5.5 inches. You must experiment with your computer, guys. So this is how it is. Okay. Change the position of the shape to position in top center with square text wrapping. So you will see here is the position. So we are going to go for top center with square text wrapping, and you can see all of that is in one. So it might look like you're going this way for text wrapping, but in fact it is this one that says, if you read the screen tip, you will see it's just one style that you're choosing. So we're choosing that. Change the text wrapping. Now we are going to text wrapping, and we are going to choose top and bottom. There we go. Add the company name Bugsby's Fitness Club to the shape. Okay, so you can just start typing where is that name? Bugsby's Fitness Club. Right? Bugsby's Fitness Club to the shape, and then format the shape and its text as indicated in the figure. Okay, so we're going ahead and we're going to figure, and in the figure they will say how we should format it. So the name Bugsby's is changing to 28 font size. So I'm going to go home and I'm going to change my font size to 28. The font is Copperplate Gothic. So in here I will go to C for Copperplate, or you could just have gone and set C in the list, and then it will change you. It will take you to C, and they want the bold one. You will see there's also a light one, but they want us to choose bold. Centered. Okay, it's already centered. Brown accent 3. Now remember, these colors are only available if you have chosen the retrospect style. We have, so it should be here. So we're looking for brown accent 3. This is orange. Brown accent 3. There we go. Oh, darker 50. Lighter. Darker 25. Darker 50. Okay, so it's right at the bottom. Okay. So yeah. Okay, let's see what else they say. Format the shape as indicated in the figure. Okay, so we are also doing a shape style here. Okay, here you can see shape styles, and they want us to choose moderate effect orange accent one. So what is this one? Orange. So moderate effect. Wonder which one that will be. Is this one? Moderate effect orange accent one. Right, so I'm clicking on that one, and I've now formatted my entire shape. Okay, so we are ready to continue with the second step, for the next step. Okay, insert the dot symbols as shown in the contact information. Remove the hyperlink from the email address, and if necessary, clear formatting after entering the bottom border. Okay, so we are going to type here right below our shape, and we are entering 35 Lake Street, comma, Donner, comma, Ohio, 4477, 2, and now we're inserting a shape, a symbol. So you're going to click on insert, and here on the symbols, you will see I already have it here in my most recently used ones, but you will probably have to go to more symbols if you haven't seen it there. So this one is the one, and you will see you'll find it in Wingdings. This is where you can find it if you just click on the recently used ones. So it should be in here somewhere, because this is Wingdings. So you just scroll down and you look for it. There we go. Okay, so we say insert, close, space, phone, colon, 677 555 9023, and once again insert the symbol of the dot, space, email, colon, info at bugbee.com. Okay, when I look at the page, it says that all of this should be centered. So I'm just going to click on, not all that, only this line. It does select everything, so let's go that way. Anyway, that is centered also, so it wouldn't really matter. Okay, now they want me to insert an underline over here. And remember, if I pressed enter, Bugsbee would become only, I can quickly show you, will become a link. And how do you remove a link? You just right click on it and you say remove hyperlink. Okay, but that I've moved now my border down as well. So going here to below the border. So you just double click below that. Okay, what is next? Okay, save the letterhead. Okay, I'm not saving now. Create the letter shown using all of those things. Okay. Okay, sorry guys, my daughter has mumps and tonsillitis, so she's not a very happy camper at the moment. So it says we have to continue with the letter, and this is just plain typing. And there's a few things that I mentioned to you in class, and that is that in South Africa we type the date on this side, not on the right side. So I'm typing it here on the side it's supposed to be. You always press enter twice, but I just want to show you guys that the line spacing is too big. So when I'm done, I'm just going to fix that. So press enter twice, and then you type Timo Perez 404 Runway Road. And when we write town names, we write it in capitals. It's a little bit different, I guess, if you live in America and you have states as well. But here we have provinces, but we never write province when we write these things. To enter, dear Mr. Perez. So I'm not going to write the whole letter because you guys can do that from your page in your instructions. Now let's pretend we are going down and we're doing the bullets. So I'm just going to press enter twice, and now insert the bullets, and the bullets are just very plain, not like the image bullets that we did last time. 6-month renewal. Okay, and then remember, Yeah, you'll be pressing tab. Okay, tab, dollar 185. Okay, and so I'm just gonna do the bullets quickly. And once again, I press tab. That will align it nicely. 350, and then the last one is 2 here. Oh, how do I spell 2? And then tab 675. Right. Okay, when you don't want a bullet, press enter and backspace until you get back to the original line. Okay, I'm just going to pretend I'm ending this letter here. Sincerely, comma, 4 enters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then Jonathan White. Office manager is supposed to be capitals. I'll do it in a bit. Office manager. Okay, so since office manager is the job description, you will notice that you can actually change it to caps by just clicking on change case. So when you go here, you just say uppercase. And now I want to show you how to change the line spacing. I'm just selecting everything below my letterhead. Okay, all right. And then changing it to 1, changing it to remove after spacing. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, it did remove this space as well. So let me just create another enter here below my date. Okay, and that was the letter that you had to do. There was just one short thing that I just quickly want to show you that we did that was not part of the lesson, but I just want to insert a picture quickly of a ball. No, let's say, what shall I? Run picture. This is something I did in class, so if you missed that class, you'll probably be happy that I'm recording it quickly. So I'm just changing to clip art, and I'm going to show you how to flip an image now on both sides. Oh, this is the one we used, I think, in class. Okay, of course, this image is way too big for what I want, so I'm just going to resize it like crazy small. Then I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to put it here. Okay, obviously I would have to change my settings probably here, and I will have to say format wrap text tight. And of course this was not part of the instruction, but it's something I want to show you because this was in one of the assignments. So I'm just resizing this image until it's the same size as Bugsby's. I'm taking this exact same image, the same size, I'm copying and pasting it, and now I'm taking it to the other side of my letterhead like this, and I'm just going to flip it so that the person is running in the other direction like this. I'm pretty sure I've made it too big. Okay, what you can do is you can actually resize it and make sure it's the exact same. What is the size? 14124 14. Okay, so this one is supposed to be 124, so you can just check it out and resize them to be the exact same size if you want to. Okay, so of course lots of other things can change here. If you wanted to change the color to match my little letterhead, you could have done that. Okay, well that was super fast. But now you have class participation 2 on video. Alright guys, have a nice day. Bye.